and you were there. Hell, I'm gonna wave at you there, Budweiser Kid. I just was wondering if you was out there. Funny thing is, he was out there. Hello to you, Budweiser Kid. Good afternoon to you, man. We out here hanging out some clothes and watching the grass grow. Old Budweiser Kid, John Denver on Spit Some Mud Sundays.
Hey, old Spit Some Sundays, there you go. Yeah, we just walked in the radio room, Jeff, and got my belly full. I didn't hear anything. I just come off there 26, man. 26 down there is real busy. crackshots gums, and he got them all down on me, so I figured I'll come up here and maybe I'll get my name called there, are you?
I was down there on 20, man. I've been down there on 20. I was down there this morning on 20, too. One Pill, man, hangs down there. One Pill in the backwoods of Georgia. And that guy picker calling out all the boys like Propinator 476 up there in Chicago and Gangster, Big Gangster. A bunch of guys hang out on 20. Mr. Off does, too. Well, anyway, this morning he called all them boys out there, and they done whooped his butt, man. And he said he was going to be out there a little this afternoon, so I come out here this afternoon. He got his butt whooped again.
Somehow go John Denver. No, man. Man, you got to be easy on him. Even though he's getting his butt whooped, you might want to go ahead and let him know he's taking charge, man. Oh, Mr. Raw, he's getting up in years. He can't take that kind of pressure, John Denver. So every once in a while, get in there and let him know he's got you locked down. Make the boy feel good there, are you?
Oh, every time he cheated, he was all over my radio. Oh, yeah, but One Pill was the one who called him out there. Old Mr. Off come out there and cut him off, made him look like he was on a walkie-talkie with a broken antenna replaced with a coat hanger, man. It was good stuff, that's for sure. Budweiser Kid, a good Spit Some Mud Sundays.
I hear you, man. I must have disturbed you a little bit. Yeah, old Mr. Hall, man. I know. I'm out there on the west side when he fires it out. I sit and listen to him. He flat got them 7-show guns up in the air, and he means business when he keyed out, man. I miss it. Boy, most of the time, he got crackshot over his slobber. Tearing up, bouncing the head off the wall, can't stand himself here, are you?
Man, 10 Roger on that. Yeah, he comes out there. I know. I'm sure when you come out here on the west side, you read the mail all the time and you hear it come in. No doubt about it. All right, man. I just come out here just to wave a hand. I'm over here doing some other stuff on that end, man. So I ain't going to stay too long. I just seen if you were out there and seeing what's going on in the world of sound, and here I am. Old 220 over at his mechanic buddy's house hanging out, and we're over here at the house doing some honeydews. Hey, Budweiser Kid, take care down there in Dallas County, Mo. John Denver over here in San Diego, Cal. I got a video gate rolling for you, so you know what you... I'm gone.
John Denver, copy on the video gate. Hopefully I can come on in there, kind of taking charge here right now while I got the chance, since the big boys are off doing other things on different frequencies. All right, Denver. Went out there, worked on the free hauling truck, got paperwork done, so I'm going to try to ease up out of here tomorrow if I can find a decent load going back out towards your area. Just have to see what happens. If not, I guess we'll have to sit home a couple more days. Put it on you later, John Denver, my 28 tag team brother on the west side. Old Budweiser Kid over here around the old Ponderosa. Backwoods in Dallas County, Mo. I'll see you.
I'll tell you what, Cotton Picker, next time you come down in San Diego, you better make sure you pass by my place. Cotton Picker. Next time you come passing through, you better make sure you pass by my house, man. That's all I got to say. You got to come by sometime. All right, man. You take care of there, Budweiser Kid. I'm going to get out of here, man. See what the neighbor's doing over at the neighbor's house. Hey, Budweiser Kid, Dallas County, Mo. Yeah, you all up in this Watergate, man. All over this video gate. I got to put it all together, man, and do some uploading a little later on, and the battery's probably going to die in a little while anyway, so it'll be the right time. Take care. Take it easy. Budweiser Kid, John Denver, on this little PAL 351. This little, it's kind of like a Skipper 300, but it's made by PAL. John Denver gone.
Boy, you hit my meter up here and got that thing not even moving. It's dead solid. I think he was kind of out there with your box and run working that big steel, man. Make sure nobody's gonna come up and slap you in your neck. You got going on, man. It's working for you. Alright, there we go. Next time we get there, man, they ain't got me doing much junk like last time. Yeah, we'll swing on the hill up here and maybe throw something on the grill and drink a little brew out, kick back, and kind of get that way.
Mr. John, what are you doing?
Man, it got rough that time around there, Budweiser Kid, man. Somebody out there in Tennessee trying to call me. And I think old 711 out there, too. So I'm going to get up on out of here, man, and see if these video gates came out the way I wanted them, man. Now I know I got it right, but I want to make sure I got the other one set right, too. Because we had some entertainment going on this morning, man, with old One Pill and Providata 476. Anyway, hey, Budweiser Kid, take care. I got rough that time around. A whole bunch of people calling old John Denver's name. I'm out the middle of the road. I'm gone.
You got 28 brother Budweiser Kid right around Dallas County. It's gone, I see.
Dan Roger, yeah, these guys, boy, your friends are going to like the way you sound right now. Want me to tell all the good time gang out there, you said hello and howdy doody, man. Well, you've been holding the fort down over the weekend, that's for darn sure. Take care, Budweiser Kid, I'm back quiet. Hey, Ball Buster, I'll wave a hand to you real quick, man. Hey, Ball Buster, I'm going to wave a hand real quick, but I'm going to get out the middle of the road, man. Hey, Ball Buster, take care, take them easy. I'm getting out the middle of the road, letting them all have it. Take care, Ball Buster. John Denver in California, and I'm gone.
Eddie King, California. Can I bump this up, brother, down one time and take it easy? Eddie King, California. Can you find me? Quit running that job. Alabama skid shooter and a bam bam. Get on out.
Hello to you there. I wasn't going to stay long there, my friend. Hey, hey, 289. I wasn't going to stay long on that cat picking in, man. 289. I was going to get out the middle of the road on that end, man. Run over to a neighbor's house or something on that end, man. But I'm going to say hello to you there, Mr. 289, New Orleans. Man, been a little while on that end, Cat Bigger. Hello, Mr. 289, New Orleans. Your friend, John Denver, is right back.
Was talking all that talk about they were in California on that duck shucking in. But hello, I just wanted to bump it down and say hello and how they do it to you. Mr. JD, your friend 289 around New Orleans. I'm getting up right there.
Right back, no doubt about it, man. No pain, no strain there, 289. Hey, 289, New Orleans. I'm gonna have to get out of here, man. We out here hanging out some clothes, man, and they fall. So we'll have to catch you come later there, 289, but I'll be back here in a few minutes. Hey, 289, New Orleans. Call some of these other mud ducks on the west side. I'm sure they'll call your name because you got that mall down. I'm gone.
The fight you got down right there,
Old DW over there in Mississippi don't want no other mall. He wants that big old John Denver mall. Come on, John Denver. John Denver. Talk to DW over here in Mississippi. Come on.
0442, it ain't nobody but 289.
Alabama Kid, shit ain't a bad, good radio kick, still want a mama. Alabama Kid, shit need a radio kick, still want a mama. St. Louis, stand by.
Yo, I'm gonna say hello to Red Mustang, real quick like. A Red Mustang around St. Louis, Missouri. John Denver gonna wave at you real quick.
John. And while you waving at the Red Mustang, the crackshot gonna be in the waiting room.
Well, get out there, man. Get in line, codbigger. Bo Bud just got done talking to Budweiser Kid. He said you were down there on 26 whooping on that codbigger, so he ran up here to get his name called. Hello to you there, the crackshot and Dixie. John Denver over here in California, playing around with some video gates, trying to get these set right, man. I haven't turned the MOSFETs on all day. Hey, crackshot, I've been on this Skipper 300, this PAL 351, the 18950 driving 28950s or 3 or whatever it may be. That's all I've been on all day, 400 watts. Hello to you there, the crackshot and Dixie. John Denver in California.
Crackshot ain't gonna be able to get it back, man. That content key down 5 times. They cut my duck shut the radio off, but I want to know, can he cut it off right there, right now? Hey, JD, listen to me. I want to know, can Crackshot turn my radio off right there? Hey, JD, mean this wizard built from Great Shaker getting down right there.
And then with the crackshot trying to get it right back.
Hey, crackshot, I didn't hear any of that, man, but I must have that mall out there. Hey, the crackshot and Dixie, I didn't hear any of that. I must still have that mall out there. That guy big a 289 come out there and cut your radio off, man. Hey, crackshot and Dixie, that guy big a 289 come out there and cut your radio off. And like I said, man, said it before, I'll say it again. Do you got a walkie-talkie with a broken antenna? You don't got a little walkie-talkie with a broken antenna with a coat hanger hanging on it. 'Cause that's about how you sounded when 289 New Orleans come out there and cut your radio off. Hey, crackshot and Dixie, you better do something about old 289 in New Orleans there, break.
I'll tell you what, John Denver, it ain't been no more than 5 minutes ago, maybe 20 minutes ago, that I just told 289 I was going to key on him 5 times on the railway. Most of the time, got it all on video game. I keyed on 289
California 289 right back, let's go.
until I get out the key. And then you tell me he cut my radio slap off. Good gracious alive. Hey, John Denver, I ain't scared no 289.
Tell him I've been there and gone, JD 289 getting down.
Alright, yeah, that's what he told me a minute ago there, man. Hey, crackshot and Dixie, that's just what he told me. He said, that codbigger keyed times in a row, but I want to know if he could do it right now. That's when he did cut your radio off. Then the second key down, you keyed that mall down, crackshot. And you said you just got done whooping on that codbigger 5 times. But then you it got a little messed up there, man. You guys were neck and neck, and then old 289 said, tell him I've been there and gone, tell him I've been there and gone. Now I got the video gate rolling, crackshot. Seems like every time you're about to get your ass tore up, I have the gate rolling. But when you're winning, the battery's dead. Break?
Yeah, I know where it is.
Hey, JD, you tell him I'm talking on this condition, too. Hey, JD, you tell him I can hear the word.
When I'm whooping on somebody, but when somebody whooping on me, your body's going to be good and fresh, John Denver, the crackshot back up.
JD 289 right back, let's go.
Well, I have to call that 1.5. See, I'm going to have to count that as a crackshot keyed on old 289 New Orleans 1.5 times. The last time was halftime. That time was 1. He keyed on you and covered you up. But yeah, man, usually I never have it running when you got that mall down, crackshot. Right about now, you got him 1.5 times. So you got another 4.5 times. What is that? Yeah, another 3.5 times to key on that codbigger. And you would have had it. You'd have been keyed on him 10 times. Hey, the crackshot and Dixie. John Denver said, you got 1.5. I'm gone.
Ditch, John Denver.
Condition. Hey, JD, I say I'm talking on this condition, and this key belongs to nobody but me right here, right now. JD 289 said, let's go.
I don't think he can hear me too well. He must have left me on the mall. Either that or I faded on out of there. As I was trying to tell Crackshot, either that or I'm just way too long-winded, man. Either that or somebody keyed on me. Let me know. I'll turn these MOSFETs on. Them guys will be gone, Crackshot.
Hey, some damn idiot over this way, John.
Hey, JD, you wouldn't hear that guy kicking right there. Hey, JD,
we got somebody out there playing music, plugging on my damn ears. I was just fixing to have some fun, man. Now I got my damn ears plugged. Hey, John Denver, crackshot back in
D289 said, let's go.
It got a little rough that time, but yeah, I know what you mean, man. That's too bad. Somebody out there trying to play music on you, man, when you're trying to have some fun. Hey, Crackshot, I know what you mean, man. It's kind of hard when somebody playing music on your side when you're out there trying to have some fun. Hey, 289, he ain't no competition, man, or you ain't no competition. When that kind of bigger keys up, the first time he keyed up, you cut his radio off, man. But that last time around, he keyed up again for the 3.5 time. That's 3.5 times. And he cotton pick and covered you up pretty darn good. And at the end, you got in there with him. But it was not easy. The crackshot and Dixie's a bad man. 289, the crackshot and Dixie. John Denver gone.
Hey, JD, take it with you. Hey, JD, I laid down on this dump fucker real hard this time. Hey, JD, I laid down 100%. Now, this was a good right here, right now. JD,
289. Set your radio on, John Denver. Your road dog time. Right, remember the crackshot gone.
Holy moly, all three of you guys. There's a whole bunch of, hey, 289. You come out there and you said, there it is right there. Hey, 289 in New Orleans, you come out there and said, there it is, right there, John Denver, there it is. You had all that copy of Wizard built out there in the middle of the road, and that time around you didn't need no more, because you keyed that mall down. When you got off that mall, old Road Dog in Tennessee was out there, and so was Crackshot and Dixie. Well, there's a hell of a lot of people out there at that time, but 289, right about there, you had that worldwide mall, Wizard built mall on them boys. The West is the best. Take care, 289, the Crackshot and old Road Dog. You better get a lunch made, man. You better bring your supper, because right about now, 289 got a mall up in my radio. Let's go.
Well, going on. The crackshot and Dixie back up.
Well, it got rough that time around. I think old Road Dog trying to call somebody else on that count, picking in. But, hey, Crackshot, man, old 289 got a hammer up in here, man, but that time around it got a little rough and tough on that cow picking in. So let me get out the middle of the road and say hello, howdy doody, lottie dotty. But I'm going to get out of here, man. I got some honeydews I got to do, and I just rolled the 18-minute gate on that in there, 289. You guys take care, take them easy. Man, I could have had a little more on there, Road Dog, if I needed. Hey, Road Dog, I could have buried your needle. I've been out here on 100 watts all day, break.
John Denver. I ain't got no money, no time. I'm trying to get back in your radio right now. I'm trying to get one game. We can go on that old sound. And I got your money.
I should have left them all on the mall with a hammer you had like that. Hey, Road Dog in Tennessee, I should have left them all slobbering in the mic, man. Because right about now, you had that worldwide hammer up in my radio. Hey, Road Dog, it's good to hear you out there, man. Tell a sweet thing I said hello, howdy doody, man. Tell a sweet thing I said hello and howdy doody and lottie dotty. Hey, Road Dog, take care. Hey, 289, watch out for old Road Dog in Tennessee, man. That kind of bigger bad, too. I'm gone.
Bye, JD. Hey, JD, I ain't never ran this dump plug 100%, but I got 100% out there. I want to know how bad is Road Dog. Hey, JD, bump it down on you later, 100%. Oh, man, this was a bill. Say bye, but bye.
Hey, 10 Raj on that there, 289. You said you want to know how bad Road Dog was, man. He didn't key that time. If he did, I'd know it. Hey, 289, New Orleans. I'll tell you what, Cotton Bigger, if Road Dog keyed up, I'd have known it on that end. But you said you want to know how bad he is. I tell you what, there ain't nobody bad like Road Dog. 289, I'm gone.
Cotton Bigger Road Dog, 289, better be worried about the crackshot instead of worrying about the Road Dog. Hey, John Denver, that Cotton Bigger 289 better be worried about the crackshot instead of worrying about Road Dog at break.
That was 4.5, man. See, all you got to get is another half key. Crack shot. See, that was 4.5. Now you got to do is get another half key, and you got him 10 times. He got you 1, or the other half. You got him 10 times, and he got you 1/2, according to my video gate. Hey, 289, crack shot. You said, 289 should be worried about the crack shot and not be worried about Road Dog because he in the doghouse right now. Hey, the crack shot and Dixie. I'm getting out the middle of the road. I'm seeing if this video gate came out right. Half the time it's loud and the other half it's not, so I'm thinking I might have a little connection going on. So I'm going to get up on out the middle of the road, crack shot and Dixie. 4.5. You need one more half to have that kind of big 289 radio cut off 10 times, break.
And I'm getting on down.
Yeah, you skyscraper, you take care of my friend. Have a super fine day out there, man. I can't stay long. I'm kind of sick and ain't feeling good. My voice is all messed up, so we're going to get our knees in the Cotton Big and breeze. Take care of my friend, we'll do it again. Skyscraper and Cali, the crack shot and Dixie, back right.
Why you gotta do me like that, man? Hey, the crack shot and Dixie. Man, why you gotta do me like that? Leave me on the mall. Just not left me on the mall and then said, hey, old skyscraper's out there, John Denver. You're gonna have to pump it up. And I would have done that. Tell that kind of big skyscraper goes a pump and break.
That's some funny shit right there. Hey, John Denver.
Hey, John, old skyscraper's getting long-winded out there, man. John Denver, I just let you know old skyscraper's on the long-winded.
Hey, skyscraper 289, you rocking the mail.
Well, it got rough that time there, Road Dog. Yeah, you out there long-winded, man. But long-winded ain't gonna make it 10-8 there, Road Dog. Hey, Road Dog, long-winded ain't gonna make it. It's gonna make you a mud chicken like he is right about now on that end, man. You kind of big. That's my friend, though. But right about now, he's down there in my kind of thinking on the side of the road, cutting grass with a dull pair of scissors and a pink skirt on, long enough to cover his chastity belt and a blonde wig on. See, because when he can't pick up any truck drivers because he impersonated a lot lizard, real good impersonating any lot lizard, he'll be cutting my grass with a pair of scissors every week.
Radio skyscraper.
It's on that, John. Well, he's talking down there 289, I believe, man, and he thinks he's up with you. So you better watch out for a skyscraper today. He may be getting long-winded out there trying to get Mother Nature to come home to him, man. You would have a skyscraper out there on the grass duty, man. That's what you're talking about, man. You'd have him. You weren't going to put him in the dungeon. You'd have him out there on grass patrol. Hey, John, but watch that mud runner, because he got conditioned up for today, John Denver, your Road Dog with the letting no God down.
And I think Road Dog in there got a little pressure on me out here this afternoon. No rise on the street for Budweiser Kid rocking on.
Yeah, 10 rods on that. I'll be watching for him, man. But I ain't scared. Hey, Road Dog, I'll be watching for that guy big skyscraper, but I ain't scared. Old skyscraper, that's my friend. I'm putting him on grass duty, man. There's a lot of grass out here in this yard. And I just can't get it all cut. So I'm just going to have him sitting over there on the side of the road next to the concrete, waiting for the truck drivers. He can stick his thumb out. He can stick his thumb out on one hand to truck drivers to impersonate a lot lizard, and with the other hand he'll be cutting the grass with a pair of dull scissors. Hey, Road Dog, take care. John Denver's out.
Hey, John Denver, that's what you do your friend. You can see how you do your enemies. Got him out there cutting grass. The truck driver's got the other dog. I wish I could, maybe why I can't do it. It's too far. Grass cutting duty out there, Road Dog wants to know.
John Denver must got his ear plugged up awesome broken language here in Louisiana.
Damn, they got hella rough that time again, crackshot. Dog. Man, they got a hell of a rough that time around, man. Didn't hear any of y'all. 289 might have been in there, and then after you guys all got off the mall, I hear you there, Possum Burger. Hey, 47, I'm gonna wave a hand to you, man. But them boys out there in Tennessee and out there in Alabama got a damn hammer up in here. Much longer, man. Shoot, I said I was gonna go a little while back. That's what I'm gonna do. I just had to key this big mall down and let them boys that cat picking Muddy Mouth skyscraper ain't got none of this patio. John Denver out here in San Diego, Cal, around the bottom of Cali with the get down is gone.
This old broken up voice and sickly body.
Hello, Craig.
Oh, hello. Hey, crackshot. I'm sorry. Hey, Road Dog, you want me to tell 289 bye? You want me to tell crackshot you said bye? And you want me to tell old Budweiser Kid you said bye too? And you said you're going to say bye for all of them. That's just what you did. Road Dog, I rolled because you said bye for all them duck pluckers, the crackshot, the 289, and all the other good time gang. Think all got it all when you said it all. They all out there on broken handheld radios with a coat hanger hanging around. Take care, Road Dog. I'm back quiet.
All I know is skyscraper where you had John Denver kind of slow.
John, you know I had to slow key, man, when you put me out there like that. Hey, John Denver, you know I had to come back one more time, man, when you put me out there just like that. So I slow keyed on these mud dogs. I'm saying goodbye, one more time. Hey, John Denver, call me when you need me. Your Road Dog with this big green light got down.
I sure will do that, Road Dog. Road Dog, I sure will call you when I need you, because Lord knows sometimes it gets... Road Dog, sure does get a hell of rough out there, and when it does get a hell of rough, I will call you, because you can clean my radio out just like you did. And you gonna say bye for all of them one more time? I'm gonna give old Cat Pickin' Skyscraper his green light. I know he'll be out there talking bad about me when I'm gone. But ain't gonna get none of this, because there ain't nobody bad like me. Take care. Worldwide Road Dog. To the weekend, what? Out the middle of the road, I'm gone.
And right there, right back, John, well, what you need to do, man, you need to apologize to Skyscraper because it is Sunday, man. You need to apologize to that mug on that Skyscraper and tell him I'm sorry I cut your radio off, just like I am the crackshot, man. Tell them boys I am sorry. Tell 289 I'm sorry. Tell crackshot I sure am sorry. I cut that radio off on Sunday. John Denver, your Road Dog got down.
Probably are, man. Shoot. That might get down, man. My ears ain't through the phone yet. Put it on you later, skyscraper. As you got my ear holes bouncing. Budweiser Kid is gone.
410 on that there, Road Dog. You want me to tell all them boys that you said and I'm sorry too, man. But, see, we changed the name today, man. Me and old 222 out there in Illinois. Last week, man, we changed the name from Sorry I Cut Your Face to Spit Some Mud, son. We don't have to be sorry for cutting some people's radio off. We glad that we making them spit some mud, man. Hey, we just now, we making all the mud ducks spit some mud. We don't have to be sorry we cut their radios off on Sundays anymore. Now we can make them spit some mud on Sundays. Hey, Road Dog, I gotta go. I'm gone.
Yeah, Roger, we ain't gotta bring you back, man, but y'all boys need to let me know when you change the rules out there, man. Hey, John Denver, I consider myself a player in this game, man, so you gotta let me know when you'll be changing them rules so them mud runners can spit some mud on Sunday. I don't feel bad now, man. Hey, John Denver, I don't feel bad, man. Them mud runners can spit some mud, swallow them D104s. No matter to me, I got down. I ain't gonna guarantee holiday no more. I'm just gonna talk to you because you got that damn mall down skyscraper to crackshot it go.
Come off. He's
410 Road Dog, that was a kid that was laughing over there because we changed the rule also, man. We changed the day. Said, you know, I'm not trying to talk to Skyscraper. He's going to have the green light here in a minute, man. Hey, Crackshot and Dixie, old Skyscraper about to have the green light, man. I'm going to shut these motherfuckers back to the driver and let him have it. And he's going to have the green light on that end. Take care, Road Dog. I heard what you said. I was over there talking to Karate Kid. And I heard you also there, Crackshot and Dixie. You said you can't hear me. The only reason why you could hear that kind of bigger because I was over there talking to Karate Kid. Now when I'm on the mall, you can't hear a damn thing. Bad like me. 10-7.
Oh dear, there, John Denver, no doubt about it. You ease back up on top that time around.
Whoop, 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 whoop. I didn't mean to.
John Denver, will turn 14. Oh, man, the bluegrass gonna try to put it in your receiver where you can hear it. Oh, John Denver, hog, man, the bluegrass sort of wave. Got down, got down.
Well, I'm just going to wave real quick to you there, Hog Man. I heard you. Hog Man, I'm going to wave at you, man. I heard you after everybody got off that mall. I think old Alabama skip shooter out there saying boop, boop, boop. There's a whole big old mall up in here. All right, man. Well, I'm going to go charge the battery on this camera, man, because it ain't going to last much longer. It's about to die. Because I got two 35-minute gates on here. Hey, you take care, Hog Man, in the Bluegrass, the Crackshot, and all the Good Time Gang. Skyscraper radio back. Tell that Skyscraper lights on. John Denver gone.
Bye, John. Hey, John, that wasn't no mud on Alabama skip shooter there, man. That old Road Dog over here said whoop, 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 whoop. I didn't mean to. Hey, John, that wasn't no mud on in Alabama skip shooter. No, man, don't even tell the radio no more. I'm gone.
Oh, that was you. You was just making them spit mud. See, the reason why we changed it? Hey, listen. Spitting up mud. They're all spitting up mud. Doing things that's better left in the mud pond. They're resurrecting. The time they tried to key on Road Dog, but right now all they doing is spitting up mud. Hey, Road Dog, spit the mud. I'm gone.
John Denver, John Denver, John Denver. Bye, John. You ain't got to bring it back, man. I'll watch you back out there. I think old Crackshot and Skyscraper got Mother Nature on. Hey, that's just the way it goes. You know how it is. Hey, John Denver, I do appreciate this Sunday evening spiritual Sunday. John Denver, your dog going on. Yeah, holler. Come on.
Here, say Skyscraper, get your left knees to pump in the Crackshot and go.
On you, man, while I got a little Mother Nature up that way today. Hey, Skyscraper, your dog in his heels with a high five Sunday wave, that baby.